Hi kids, welcome back. Kids, let's learn colors name. Blue, red, brown, pink, green, yellow, light green, black, sky blue, purple, violet and orange color. किड्स इस वीडियो में हम ट्रेस करेंगे नंबर्स 1 2 3 4 5. लेट्स ट्रेस 1 3 5 7 9 1 1 11 1 3 13 1 5 15 1 7 17 1 9 19. Now we will trace missing numbers 1 2 number 2 3. Now we write number 4 5. The missing number is 6 7 8 9 1 0 10 1 2 12 13. Now we will write 14 15 16 1 6 16 17 1 8 18 19. Now we will write 2 0 20. Kids, read again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.